Discuss your team's communication strategy prior to the event. Identify who will greet the candidates, respond to which types of questions, and how your team will approach private chatting with candidates. If inviting a candidate to a private chat, alert your team by stating this in the main chat room. You may also send a private chat indicating this to your colleague. Please note that you may have up to 3 chat rooms per event, plus a private room for team communication. You could share this information here as well. For candidates or colleagues, if you see a P with the orange circle around it, that indicates that that person is engaged in a private chat. Additionally, consider using Microsoft Teams, Zoom, group texting, or a similar platform to stay connected with your team members during the event. This allows for good situational awareness.